Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be going over the top 4 ways to save battery on your iPhone 10 or X, whatever you want to call it.
Number 1.
So let's get right into it. What you can do is, instead of having your brightness all the way up like we usually have it, is you may want to be a little bit conservative and keep it right in the middle. Or even a little bit lower than the middle, under the middle, and this is going to help you save battery over the long run. It's probably one of the most basic ways to save battery, but it's the most overlooked one. So the brightness usage of your screen has a very high impact on the drainage of your battery. So it's a good idea to keep it around the middle.
Number 2.
Way number 2 to save battery on your iPhone 10 is you may want to go ahead and turn on low power mode. This is going to keep notifications on the minimum, so it's gonna not allow all notifications to come through, and this is definitely a great way to save battery on your iPhone 10. You can turn on low power mode and you probably won't even recognize it. It doesn't change much of the usage on the device, so you probably won't even realize that you have low power mode on, and it's going to be saving you a ton of battery.
Number 3.
Way number 3 that you can save battery on your iPhone 10 is go into your settings, and if you're not using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location services, just keep them disabled. This is going to save your battery a ton as well. If you're not using your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or location services, just go ahead into the settings and turn them off. When you're going to go ahead and use them, go back into the settings and turn on the one you're going to use. If you're going to log into Wi-Fi, turn on your Wi-Fi. If you're going to connect to a Bluetooth, then turn off your Wi-Fi and connect Bluetooth. If you're going to use both, then turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and use them both, and turn off location services. I personally keep location services off because I don't want to be tracked everywhere that I'm going. Hint, hint. And it definitely saves battery as well. So I only turn on location services when I want to find certain things near me in the Maps application or stuff like that. That is way number 3 to save battery.
Number 4.
So for way number 4 to save battery on your iPhone 10 is go into your notifications, and you can either turn off all notifications while your phone is on standby, so that when you log into your phone, then you view the notifications. Or if you have some apps that you don't really use that much or that you don't care for that much, you can just turn off notifications on those apps, so that you only view the notifications when you go into the app. Having iPhones, we have tons of apps on there, and you keep downloading newer and newer and newer apps, and notification services are always turned on unless if you manually go in there and turn them off. Or you can also just change the setting of the notification so that they show up only once you log into the phone, and they're not just automatically coming in all the time. So this is definitely going to save battery a ton as well.
Number 5.
And for way number 5 to save battery on your iPhone 10 is you can just turn off your iPhone completely. So just kidding, guys. There's only 4 ways to save battery on your iPhone 10. So another good thing to keep in mind is that apps and websites that use a lot of data drain the battery faster as well. So apps and websites like streaming, video streaming, music, games, but mainly video streaming apps and websites like this one, even though we love it, they do drain your battery a lot faster as well, so just keep that in mind. And another cool thing is that doing all of this stuff mentioned in this video is also going to help your phone run faster and last longer. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you like it, and I will see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao!